cannot kill Kenyans for supporting or taking a certain political inclination or supporting a deputy president. Honorable Speaker, the book of Ezra 7:26 is what I would just want to read for my good friend TJ, who I know is a Christian, because it's called Tom Joseph Kajwang. Therefore, Honorable Tom Joseph Kajwang, the book of Ezra 26, Ezra 7:26, says that whoever does not obey the law of your God and the law of the king must surely be punished by death, banishment, confiscation of property, or imprisonment. Mambo ni Matatu. Honorable Speaker, the holy book in the book of Ezra speaks about banishment for those who do not obey the law. If you engage in corruption, you must be banished.
Majority Leader, Honorable Kajwang, what is out of order?
Now, Madam Speaker, the debate is getting lively, but the Majority Leader is really getting it rough. Because first of all, now he's postulating